AI in a nutshell, making sense of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the tech buzzword of our time, but what is it, really? AI is about machines mimicking human intelligence. It's robots that learn, cars that drive themselves, and your virtual assistant that knows you well. AI uses algorithms and massive data to make sense of the world. It's like teaching a computer to think, learn, and make decisions. AI can spot diseases early, helping doctors save lives. It can even cook you the perfect meal. Our cities are becoming smarter with AI, optimizing energy use and traffic flow. AI is the friendly chatbot that answers your questions anytime. And it's the drone that delivers your package with precision. AI is here, making our lives easier, smarter, and more efficient. AI, shaping our future.